Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. I'm Katie and I sell part-time on eBay and Poshmark. A few times a week while my kids are at school, I'll go thrifting and I'll list the cool things I find online. And then every week here on YouTube, I share what sold, and I share usually a thrift haul of what I'm picking up. My kids are off school this week for spring break, but I went shopping on Whatnot. I had a couple of packages come in and we're gonna open them here. And then this week I will be listing these things. I'll wash them. And if the condition is good enough to sell, I will sell. I will list. I do also sometimes like pick up some items for myself or my family in these Whatnot shows. If you have not been on Whatnot yet, it's like an auction platform site. So you are swiping and bidding on items from sellers. I mostly am in the women's contemporary shows, the ones that I go to, and I look for store or shows that are random pulls and usually low starting bids. And I found that most of those shows are resellers like me who are maybe shopping at the bins and they're just doing quick flip shows and making smaller profits off of each item, but getting that money immediately, which is goals. And so I really feel like it's like a collaborative thing, us all working together on Whatnot. So if you haven't, you should check it out. I had my first Whatnot show a week ago. It was super fun. I got everything shipped out and it looks like everything's been delivered and I had no problems. So that's fantastic, but let's get into this package. I spent $68 on it, including the shipping. I got quite a few items. The way that she ran her shipping, I think she is a bins shopper and does like weekly shows where she just flips stuff. And there's a lot of sellers on there like that. I just randomly came across her show one evening, and so the shipping was broken up over a couple of purchases, and then each item after that is free up to 5 pounds. And then with her show, she was adding just like incremental little amounts of shipping on top of the items. So I think I paid maybe like 12 or 13 in shipping for this big package. And what's nice is it all came in one. When I did my show, I was having like several shipments for each order. Whatnot breaks it up depending on weight and whatnot. And so I was happy to get this as one. Okay, let's open it up and see what I got. That's the fun thing about these is there's no, reopening. We're opening it together. And I don't remember what I bought. So it's really like a mystery. Okay, what is this? Okay, these are some frame jeans, which is a nice brand, and I just picked some up last week. They're a size 27, and they look to be a skinny or maybe a straight leg. Good condition on these. I do inspect everything closer after the fact here, and I wash them up. But I think I will get these listed as long as the fly works. Frame's a good brand. Like I said, I paid $68 for this whole package. So depending on how many pieces I got, we could say $5 an item. I'm not exactly sure. Okay, so some jeans. Good. The slender straight. Okay, so they are straight. Oh, I got this figs top. This was an interesting purchase because it's purple. It's the Katarina top. And I think she said it does come straight from the bins, so we need to wash these. Kind of smells like what I would imagine the bins to smell like. Purple Katarina top. She ran top and bottom separately. I ended up paying, I think, $8 for this. Hoping that once I got the top, I would be able to get the bottom, and then somebody outbid me on the bottom. So we just got the top. That was probably not the best purchase, but hoping to get 20 for that after we wash it up. It does look to be in good condition, just needs a wash. These are Lululemon men's size medium pants. They are a jogger. These are very nice. These are really good condition. Very happy. It's the first time I've purchased from this seller. I think these will do well. These are a nice jogger. Very good. Good drawstring. Let's check, make sure there's logos on the drawstrings. Yes, on the bottoms. No. Oh, there they are. Yes. Okay. I was like, what? Usually looking for solid branding throughout is a good way, a good indicator that things are authentic. There's the Lululemon. Really nice. Navy joggers, men's medium. Good. Remember, $68 for everything. That would be 15 to 20 at my Goodwill. More men's medium Lululemon. There's the tag. These are a black sweat pant. Nice. Some stretch at the bottom. There is a little bit of turning in on the elastic at the ankle, so I will have to try to navigate that in there, and if I can't, I'll just close it. Yeah, just a black jogger, minimal wash wear. Nice. Oh, there go my sunglasses. I wear my sunglasses all the time because they are prescription, so they're also my regular glasses, so I just wear them a lot. Sunny here in California. Okay, so that's good. That would have been 15 to 20 at Goodwill. This I remember picking up, and I did bid $3 for this. This is Athleta, and it's a size 3X. It does have some writing in it. Maybe that will come off. I'm not sure. 3X camo pullover sweater. I really like selling Athleta, and the plus size market on eBay is pretty underserved. It looks to be in very good condition. So excited to list that. We have a few more items here. Okay, what is this? This is a top. And PST. I don't know what this is. Project Social Tee? I think it was $1. This was like maybe a rerun. So at the end, I bid on it. It's a size medium. Here's the tag. If you know anything about it, please let me know. It was just like a wardrobe basic type thing. It's got some fraying at the end that I'll have to take off. Is it cotton? It's ribbed. It's rayon and polyester. I'll have to look this up, but it does have a style name. So we'll see. But for $1, I was bundling, you know. I like to get the most bang for my buck. Okay, so Abercrombie and Fitch on these. I remember paying for these too. I think they were $6. And these are the trouser. I think they might be the Sloan, which I've sold before, and it sells very well on eBay. I think I sold a hot pink pair before. They are Curve Love, and they're a size 28 or 6 short. And that was another reason I picked them up, is because they are short, and talls or shorts do well for me. They are black. They look washed out on camera, but those are black. I'm really happy. I think I would have picked up most of these things at the thrift store. This is Ann Taylor, and this was impulse because my daughter loves cheetah print stuff, and I think I just wanted to show it to her. So this I think was $1, or leopard print. This is leopard print, and I think it'll sell based on the print. It's Ann Taylor, size extra small, but it's stretchy and career, and there is such a following for these animal prints, bird prints, just novelty prints people are into. This is for me. I don't know how much I bid on this, maybe a couple dollars. It's a Nike sports bra. So, looks comfy. That was for myself. It's fun to shop for yourself on Whatnot too. Just with the thrift store prices right now, they seem a little out of control. So if you can incorporate some items for yourself, that's great. This is Cozy Earth, which is super expensive. It's a bamboo-based brand, and they make pajamas. I have sold a pair of jogger pajamas that were flawed for like $25 before. And it was a quick seller, like 3 days. I think it's made from viscose, from bamboo, acrylic, and spandex. I bid on it because it was a size extra, extra, extra large. So comfortable. This is very soft. Square neck pajama top. And here's, did I show you? So Cozy Earth, and the logo is right down here. So if you ever come across this at the store, there's the logo. Really good brand, fast seller. I'm excited to get that listed. I wanted to buy things that I was excited to list. What is this? I don't know. Oh boy. Oh boy, what is this? Is it Free People? It's Free People. And it's a size small. The tag's a little bit dingy, but it's a size small. And it's is this a cowl turtleneck sweater? Kind of loungy. Fine, okay. I don't have much to say about it. And then this is the last thing. So $68 for this, I actually am pretty impressed with it. American Eagle, I think this was a rerun. So just a couple dollars on this one too. I probably paid the most for the Lululemon, which is shocking to no one. This is cute. It has the lace up front, American Eagle, size small. It's a cream knit sweater, probably won't do well until the fall. So I'll just put this towards the back of the inventory that I'm looking to list right now. Really cute. Ooh, I like that. So we'll get all that washed up. I think for $68, pretty good. And it was really fun being in the show. I didn't win any giveaways, but it's fun to enter them, and the chat is fun because everyone's talking. It's a very positive place. I like it over there. This is a horrible tape sound, but I want you to know that I am opening it for reals. Oh, that was a fail. Okay, so I bought quite a bit from this seller, and it is all coming in different shipments. So my other packages are delayed in transit. So I got 3 items. This package is, I paid $18 for, just this package. So we'll see. Might be a couple things for me. I am not sure. Okay, I got a Nike Golf purple short sleeve. I would have paid a couple dollars at Goodwill for this because we are in the spring. We're in the right season for it. Women's size small golf. Someone in Arizona or Florida is probably gonna want this. So that'll be a quick, easy list. It looks to be in good condition. And this is a different seller, by the way. This is the first item that I bought when I got into the show. And this is Beyond Yoga. They have like a little, is it a lotus flower? Really, really nice. It's a blue active skirt. I love this blue color. It has the built-in shorts. These sellers have 5-star ratings, so they've been doing it for a bit. And I really like going into those types of shows because it seems like with resellers, you know, we're looking at condition a lot when we're selling. So it's good to go into those because generally you'll get some good condition stuff. This is gorgeous. Maybe a little tiny bit of wear that I'll have to photograph, but that'll be good. So 18 for this box, 1, 2, and then this is my last item that I got, Madewell. These are the 10-inch high-rise skinny crop with a button fly. And they're stretchy, which is nice. Is this my size? What size is this? 27. So a little too small for me. Madewell, I think I paid like $4 or $5 for this. Madewell, we'll see. If I can list them for 25, that would probably be worth it. So all this stuff I'm going to be cleaning and listing this week. If you haven't checked out Whatnot, I am not sponsored by Whatnot, but I am all over the app shopping. I can put my link in my description. I really don't want anyone to ever feel like they have to buy anything from me though. But you do get 15 free dollars if you use my link and sign up. So I might put it in there, or I might be too chicken to do it. But thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing of Whatnot. And if you're interested in these types of videos, I'm ordering pretty frequently and I could do another one soon. All right, I'll see you next time.